This diving place is in the proximity of the dike of VADO Ligure. The place consists of a series of isolated rocks rich with life and color. Our descent terminates on the top of one of these rocks in a depth of 33 meters. A few meters from our anchorage, we can admire a wonderful fan of a GERARDIA Savaglia. The variety and number of Anthozoa is particularly noteworthy for this group of rocks, and beside the GERARDIA Savaglia, we also find numerous branches of the red gorgonia, or the Paramoracea clavata, and a fan of the Unicella singularis. Our dive ends at the anchor, and we use the rope to guide our way back to the surface.